grade 3. So today's revision, you can go to this page. Okay, so now we're working with money, revision about money. So it says write the answers in rands and cents, for example, like that. Okay, so 65 cents plus 50 cents. Add them together first and then see, because remember in 1 rand is 100 cents. So see how many 100 cents there is. That makes 1 rand, and then what is the remaining cents for those four. Okay, then you're going to do the same over here. And then some money sentences. I have 30 rand. I buy a toy for 16 rand 20. How much change do I have, or do I get? So you're going to write the 30 rand. 30 gets a 30, comma 00 minus 16 rand 20, and then work out your answer. Jacob buys a pair of pants for 75 rand. He paid with 250 rand notes. How much money has Jacob got left now? So work out the 250 rands first, then you write it with a comma 00 at the end, minus 75 rand, comma 00. Okay, and then work it out. And then so it gives you the products, the prices, and then you round it off to the nearest 10. So the bread is 12 rand 95. Rounded off to the nearest 10 is going to be 13 rand. Okay. Orange juice is 22 rand 40. Rounded off. And bananas are 14 rand 20. Rounded off. Then you're going to add all the rounded off numbers and write the total. Then over here you're going to draw the different coins or the different notes to make up those amounts. Okay. Then some story sums, problem solving. Daniel divided 53 blocks equally between himself and 2 friends. How many blocks did each get? And how many blocks are left? So draw the 2 friends and divide them. There are 92 shoes in the closet. How many pairs of shoes are there altogether? Now remember, in a pair there's 2 shoes. Jacob has 9 sweets. James has 3 times more sweets than Jacob. James has 3 more sweets than Jacob. How many sweets does James have? How many sweets do they have together? So 9 times 3. And then add 9 plus whatever 9 times 3 is. Then Uncle Bob has a motor workshop that must fix 8 cars' wheels. How many wheels must he fix in total? How many wheels does a car have? 4. Toffees are sold in packets of 15. The teacher needs 90 sweets. How many packets must she buy? The strong man lifts 34 kilograms on his first attempt, 28 kilograms on his second attempt, and with his third attempt, 38 kilograms. How many kilograms did he pick up in total? Add all those amounts. What is the difference between his lowest and his best effort? So the highest amount minus the lowest amount that he picked up. Alright, then you're going to do some more adding sums on this page. And then patterns. So remember, this is a changing pattern. It gets bigger, bigger, bigger. A repeating pattern, 1 fish, 3, 2 fish, 3, 3 fish, 3. A growing pattern, 3 fish, strawberry. Okay, those two need to be swapped around. This is actually a growing pattern and this is a repeating pattern. Okay, make a note of that, please. So scratch that out, put growing pattern, scratch that out, put repeating pattern. Then, now describe the different types of patterns in your own words. A size-changing pattern, repeating pattern, and a growing pattern. Remember to change those two. Alright, you don't have to do this one because I used this as a worksheet and I think we added it to the pack by accident. You can do it if you really want to. Then, it says counting forwards in multiples of 10. Count back in multiples of 5 and halve the number each time. A number pattern is when you are counting forwards or backwards in multiples of a number. Example, counting forwards in 2s from 2 to 20. Number patterns change in a predictable manner, so that means you know how it's going to change. Can you describe the following number pattern? So see the difference between the two. What are they adding each time, or what are they minusing each time? Okay, and then, alright, this is also, you don't need to do this either because we used it in a worksheet. I think because that was in our worksheet pack, we accidentally printed it for this as well. And this one, sorry guys, but you can do it if you really want to. If you had fun doing it, you can do it again. Okay, and then this one is volume or capacity. Remember, water or liquid. So color the correct box in. Do you think it's 2 liters, 1 liter, or 500 mils? Estimate how much is in there, and the same for that. Color the indicated liquid in the measuring cups. 500 mils, color it in. 300 mils, 750 mils, 450 mils, 250 mils, and 350 mils. Then arrange the liquid from the least to the most. In what unit of measurement do we measure volume? What is the difference? So if we weigh how much is in a cup, we say it's 300 what? Okay. Then last one, data handling. Look at this graph over here. It says the grade 3 class has a book club established for children who love to read. For every 3 books read, the child gets a sticker next to his or her name. Study the pictograph and answer the question. So this is the different stickers that they get. So what is the title of the chart? Bookworm Club. How many children belong to the Bookworm Club? You can see the children's names here. How many books have the following children read? So remember, they have to read 3 books to get 1 sticker. Which child has read the book the most? How many more books did Michelle read than Bertus? So go to Michelle and go to Bertus. How many more? Which children read an equal amount of books, and how many books were read in total?